The Amarnath Yatra is a famous pilgrimage in Hinduism. It is a journey that tests the physical endurance and spiritual devotion of the pilgrims. The trek is not just a physical journey, but a deeply spiritual experience that connects the devotees with the divine. It is a journey to a holy cave in the Himalayas. The path to the cave is surrounded by breathtaking views of the majestic mountains, which add to the spiritual ambience of the pilgrimage. The serene and tranquil environment of the Himalayas provides a perfect backdrop for this sacred journey. This cave is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Inside the cave, devotees can feel the divine presence of Lord Shiva, the destroyer and transformer among the Hindu trinity. The cave is adorned with various idols and statues that depict the different forms and manifestations of Lord Shiva. Every year, thousands of devotees trek to this shrine. The journey is undertaken by people of all ages, from young children to elderly devotees, all united by their faith and devotion. The sense of community and shared purpose among the pilgrims is palpable, as they support and encourage each other along the way. The Amarnath Cave is located in Jammu and Kashmir, India. This region is known for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. The journey to the cave takes the pilgrims through some of the most picturesque landscapes in the country, making it a visual as well as a spiritual treat. It sits at a high altitude. The high altitude and challenging terrain make the trek a demanding one, requiring physical fitness and mental resilience. The pilgrims often have to brave harsh weather conditions, including snow and freezing temperatures, to reach the cave. The cave is covered in snow for most of the year. The snow-covered landscape adds to the mystical and otherworldly atmosphere of the pilgrimage. The sight of the snow-covered cave entrance is a powerful reminder of the divine presence that the pilgrims seek. The main attraction is the naturally formed ice lingam. This ice formation, which resembles a lingam, is considered a sacred symbol of Lord Shiva. The ice lingam is believed to have divine powers, and devotees come from far and wide to offer their prayers and seek blessings. The lingam waxes and wanes with the moon. This natural phenomenon is seen as a divine miracle, and it adds to the spiritual significance of the pilgrimage. The changing shape of the lingam is believed to represent the cyclical nature of life and the eternal presence of the divine. This natural phenomenon is considered a divine miracle. The sight of the ice lingam and its changing shape fills the devotees with awe and reverence. It is a powerful reminder of the presence of the divine in the natural world and the mysteries of creation. The Amarnath Yatra is a test of faith. The challenging conditions and the physical demands of the trek test the resolve and determination of the pilgrims. It is a journey that requires not just physical strength, but also mental and spiritual fortitude. It is also a journey of self-discovery. The pilgrimage provides an opportunity for the devotees to reflect on their lives and their spiritual journey. The serene and tranquil environment of the mountains offers a perfect setting for meditation and introspection, allowing the pilgrims to connect with their inner selves and the divine. The Amarnath Cave is shrouded in ancient legends. Nestled high in the Himalayas, this sacred site has been a beacon of spiritual significance for centuries. The journey to the cave is not just a physical trek, but a pilgrimage of the soul, drawing thousands of devotees each year. One popular legend says that Lord Shiva chose this cave to reveal the secret of immortality to his consort Parvati. According to the tale, Shiva wanted to share the profound knowledge of the universe and the secret to eternal life with Parvati, away from the prying eyes of the world. He wanted to ensure no one else overheard. To achieve this, he left behind all his worldly possessions and companions, ensuring absolute privacy. Shiva left behind all his belongings, including his sons Ganesha and Kartikeya. This act symbolized his complete detachment from the material world, emphasizing the gravity of the secret he was about to disclose. He even left Nandi, his bull, behind. Nandi, who is often seen as Shiva's loyal companion, was left at the entrance to guard against any intruders. He created the ice lingam as a symbol of his eternal power. The ice lingam, which naturally forms every year, is revered as a manifestation of Shiva himself, drawing pilgrims from all over the world. Another legend states that the cave was formed by the love of Shiva and Parvati. Their divine love is said to have melted the snow, creating the cave as a testament to their eternal bond. Their love melted the snow and carved out the cave. This story adds a layer of romance and mysticism to the already sacred site, making it a symbol of divine love and unity. These legends add to the spiritual aura of the Amarnath Yatra. The pilgrimage is not just a journey to a physical location, but a spiritual quest, a search for deeper meaning and connection with the divine. Each step taken by the pilgrims is imbued with faith and devotion, making the Amarnath Yatra a truly transformative experience. The breathtaking beauty of the Himalayas serves as a perfect backdrop for this spiritual journey. The towering peaks and serene landscapes inspire awe and reverence, reminding pilgrims of the majesty and mystery of the divine. The faces of the pilgrims reflect a deep sense of devotion and awe. Each person carries their own hopes, prayers, and aspirations, seeking blessings and spiritual fulfillment. Traditional rituals and offerings are an integral part of the pilgrimage. These acts of devotion connect the pilgrims to centuries of tradition and spiritual practice, reinforcing their faith and commitment. As night falls, the stars twinkle above the Himalayas, creating a celestial canopy that seems to bless the pilgrims below. The serene and tranquil environment fosters a sense of peace and reflection, allowing pilgrims to connect with the divine on a deeper level. Pilgrims often share stories and experiences, creating a sense of community and shared purpose. These interactions enrich the journey, making it not just a personal quest, but a collective celebration of faith and spirituality. As the first light of dawn touches the entrance of the Amarnath cave, it symbolizes new beginnings and the eternal cycle of life. The pilgrimage to Amarnath is a journey of transformation, renewal, and spiritual awakening. There are two main routes to reach the Amarnath cave, Pahalgam and Baltal. The Pahalgam route is longer. It takes 4 to 5 days to complete. It is a more traditional route. The Baltal route is shorter. It can be covered in 2 to 3 days. This route is steeper and more challenging. Both routes offer breathtaking views. They are a test of physical and mental endurance. The choice of route depends on your fitness level. It also depends on time constraints and personal preferences. Yatris can choose helicopter services for a quicker journey. Preparing for the Amarnath Yatra is crucial. You need to be physically fit. Start walking and exercising months in advance. Acclimatize yourself to high altitudes. Pack warm clothes. The weather can be unpredictable. Carry essential medicines. Also carry a first aid kit. Registration is mandatory. Do it well in advance. Respect local customs and traditions. The pilgrimage is a humbling experience. Travel light and carry only essentials. Be mindful of the environment. Dispose of waste responsibly. The Amarnath Yatra is a challenging trek. It is a deeply spiritual experience. The high altitude and rugged terrain test you physically. The chanting of mantras and the sight of fellow devotees uplift your spirits. The journey is dotted with camps. These camps provide food and shelter. Medical facilities are also available. The camaraderie among the Yatris is heartwarming. The challenging conditions make you introspect. The beauty of the Himalayas humbles you. Reaching the Amarnath cave after days of trekking is an emotional experience. The journey itself is a test of endurance and faith as pilgrims brave the rugged terrain and unpredictable weather. Each step taken is a testament to their devotion and determination to witness the divine. The first glimpse of the ice Lingam fills you with a sense of peace and fulfillment. As you enter the sacred cave, the sight of the towering ice formation, believed to be a manifestation of Lord Shiva, leaves you in awe. The serene and majestic presence of the Lingam evokes a deep sense of reverence and spiritual connection. The cave is dimly lit, adding to the mystical ambience. The soft glow of the natural light filtering through the entrance creates an ethereal atmosphere, enhancing the sense of otherworldliness. The shadows cast by the flickering lamps and candles add to the sacredness of the space. The silence is broken only by the chanting of prayers. The rhythmic recitation of mantras and hymns fills the air, creating a symphony of devotion. The collective voices of the devotees resonate within the cave, amplifying the spiritual energy and creating a powerful sense of unity and purpose. The ice lingam varies in size. It is said that the lingam waxes and wanes with the phases of the moon, symbolizing the cyclical nature of life and the universe. This ever-changing form of the lingam is a reminder of the impermanence of all things and the eternal presence of the divine. It changes with the phases of the moon. The connection between the lingam and the lunar cycle is a fascinating aspect of this natural wonder. The waxing and waning of the lingam are believed to be influenced by the gravitational pull of the moon, adding to the mystical allure of the phenomenon. This natural phenomenon is considered a divine mystery. The formation of the ice lingam is a subject of wonder and speculation, with many attributing it to the divine intervention of Lord Shiva. The unique conditions within the cave, combined with the spiritual significance of the site, make the ice lingam a truly miraculous sight. Devotees offer prayers and seek blessings. The act of offering prayers to the ice lingam is a deeply personal and spiritual experience. Many pilgrims come with hopes and wishes, seeking the blessings of Lord Shiva for health, prosperity, and spiritual growth. The sense of devotion and faith is palpable as devotees fold their hands in prayer and bow before the divine. The atmosphere inside the cave is charged with spirituality. The energy within the cave is almost tangible, as if the very air is infused with the divine presence. Many devotees choose to meditate within the cave, seeking to connect with the higher consciousness and attain a state of inner peace and enlightenment. It is said that Lord Shiva resides here in his icy abode. The cave is adorned with statues and images of Lord Shiva, each depicting different aspects of the deity. These artistic representations serve as a reminder of the divine presence and the sacredness of the site. The belief that Lord Shiva himself resides within the cave adds to the spiritual significance of the pilgrimage. It is an experience that stays with you forever. The journey to the Amarnath cave and the site of the divine ice lingam leave an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of the pilgrims. The sense of peace, fulfillment, and spiritual connection experienced within the cave is something that remains with them long after they have left. The memories of this sacred pilgrimage become a source of inspiration and strength, guiding them on their spiritual journey. The Amarnath Yatra is more than just a pilgrimage. It is a transformative journey. It pushes you to your limits. It reveals your inner strength. It deepens your faith. The experience teaches you patience, perseverance, and humility. The beauty of the Himalayas stays with you long after the journey ends. It is a reminder of the power of nature and the presence of the divine. The Amarnath Yatra is a journey of self-discovery. It strengthens your bond with the divine. It is an experience that changes your perspective on life. The Amarnath Yatra is a pilgrimage of a lifetime. It is a journey of faith, adventure, and self-discovery. It is an opportunity to connect with your spiritual side. The challenging trek, the breathtaking views, and the divine darshan make it an unforgettable experience. If you seek a journey that challenges and transforms you, the Amarnath Yatra awaits. Prepare yourself physically and mentally. Open your heart to the divine. The Amarnath Yatra promises a journey that will stay with you forever.